Hey, I want to give a big shout out to Eco Solutions. Show y'all something I'm doing. This is some stuff from Eco Solutions. Hope y'all can hear me good. This is Eco-Sanitizer, and what you do with this, it sanitizes everything, but you turn your air conditioner vent on or the fan, and you just steady do this. This is the fine mist here coming out of here.
Yeah.
So we're going to spray that up in here, just sucking it up through the air conditioner vents. See? Just every once in a while hit it. Put a good mist up there. All right. Once you get this done,
I think you got to wait 3 minutes.
Got to wait 3 minutes. Okay.
For it to go through the house. It's gonna go through all the vents in the attic.
Yeah.
Which all the sickness we need.
Yeah. What it does, it kills all your viruses and your germs and stuff.
Bacteria and stuff.
Doing.
Okay. So we're gonna spray, and now the Eco Armor, what it does is it creates a shield where bacteria can't grow.
Yeah, it can't grow on it. So
right.
We're gonna spray this out and spray it up here. It's in a mister bottle too. So here we go. And that's all you do. You do this, and it gets rid of all your bacteria and germs up in your attics.
Yes, but you gotta wait. You gotta get out of the house for 30 minutes.
Yeah. And you can look them up, and they can explain more what they got. They got some neat stuff out